Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. I made this video to explain to you how to translate to sort out into French. It's a bit like to get. It's got so many different meanings, you've got to home in on what each one means and then find the French equivalent for that. Let's have a look. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. The first few meanings of to sort out are really literal, and it's to tidy up, ranger, or to classify, trier, as in to sort things out into piles, for instance. Let's look at the first example. Jérôme est obligé de ranger sa chambre aujourd'hui. Jérôme has to sort out his bedroom today. He has to tidy it up. And here I've also used an expression that's very useful in French, est obligé de, which is he has to, he's forced to, he has no choice. Il faut trier les déchets ménagers pour le recyclage. We need to sort out the rubbish for recycling. See how I've used il faut? Il faut actually means we need to, with the meaning of it is necessary to, as in everybody has to do it. Now the next couple of meanings are more figurative. You can use it instead of to organize, organiser, or to look after, s'occuper de. And in each of these examples, and every example thereafter, using to sort out is more colloquial than the original word you can use, like organiser. Let me show you. C'est Séverine qui va organiser les courses. Séverine is going to sort out the grocery shopping. Less colloquial, you could have said, Séverine is going to organize the grocery shopping. But to sort out is something that, especially in British English, is used a lot. There's a bit of laziness, but everybody knows what it means as well. It's a bit more vague than to organize. And you notice here in this example, I gave another French structure that's very useful. C'est Séverine qui va organiser les courses. It's Séverine who is going to organize the shopping. You don't really use that in English. In French, we do an awful lot. The second example. Je peux m'occuper des enfants à ta place, si tu veux. I can sort out the children for you if you like. I can look after them. You have to be careful with the meaning of to sort out here, because to sort out can mean to punish as well. We'll see that later on in another context. So you'll know if it's a positive or negative context. The next two meanings are also figurative. To solve, résoudre, or to settle, régler. C'est un problème difficile à résoudre. It's a problem that's difficult to sort out or difficult to solve. On va régler notre facture avant de partir. We're going to sort out our bill before we go, or to settle our bill. Notice here, avant de partir. We don't say before we go in French, we say before going, before leaving. The next few meanings are specific to British English. And this is a very negative meaning. To beat someone up, to fight with them, to punish someone, or to tell someone off. And here, to beat someone up, I put taper sur, which is to hit someone. To punish, I've chosen punir. For to tell somebody off, there's so many different ways of saying it. I chose one, réprimander. That's standard French, okay? But in reality, when you wanted to tell someone off, you would use something a bit more colloquial. But we won't go into it today, just use réprimander for now. First example, si les voisins continuent avec leur musique, j'irai les réprimander. If the neighbors carry on with their music, I'll go and sort them out, as in tell them off. Of course, you could always fight with them, or that's how you might end up, what you might end up doing. But initially, you're just going to tell them off. But because to sort out is so vague, it could mean all of these meanings. You don't know which one. Martin a dit qu'il allait taper sur Stéphane à la récré. I like this one because it's very kiddie-like. Martin said he was going to sort Stéphane out at recess, or he was going to beat him up. Basically, that's what it means. Also in British English, to sort out has one last meaning, which is rather sexual in nature. I won't go into it now, but just know it exists and just know what it means. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!